Hello, this is Chef Anna. Today, I would like to welcome you to my kitchen. I would like to show you how to make easy recipes. So I have with me here about 3/4 of the chicken legs and thigh. What I'll do is that I will cut it into small bite sizes. So that way it will cook better with the herbs that we have. I have this on high because I have a non-stick pan, so I have to use something that is not gonna scratch the pan. So I'll use about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'll be using about half a tablespoon shrimp paste. I know it's gonna smell, but it'll get better till the end. And I'll add about one teaspoon of soy sauce, and then about half tablespoon of soup base. And a pinch of probably about quarter of tablespoon of sugar. Right? It looks a little dry, so I'll add another half tablespoon of cooking oil. But it looks like it's coming together really well. I'll do about a tablespoon of empty salt, and then this time I want it to tablespoon of water just to keep it from burning and apply to the pan. Holy basil, I couldn't get the fresh holy basil, but I had collected basil here over the summer from California. Okay. So what I did is that I keep in the freezer until the use, because it's something that we needed for the cooking. So I have to go all the way to California for this. It tastes really good. If you on low salt diet, you can reduce the shrimp paste and the amount of fish sauce. So what I'm gonna do is to add some turmeric quick mix, just to give a little kick of. I like a little bit of probably another pinch of sugar or so, just for the kick of it. So I have with me here is the fresh ingredients of Thai. Eggplant. And I have with me 1 jalapeno. Actually, it's not even hot, so I'm gonna add some crusted pepper. There. If you want it spicy, you like it spicy, you add more pepper to it. But make it like it spicy, so I add about a half teaspoon of pepper, and then I'll add my fresh ingredient. With this kind of eggplant is that once you cut it, you have to put it in the water, leave it in the water, because it oxidizes and it turns brown, tarnish. So to keep it from tarnishing. Now, I thought I needed some color, so I'm going to add a sweet pepper in it. Or you have bell pepper, welcome to put in there. Or I prefer celery, but for some reason I forgot it to add into my grocery list. So now the vegetables are in and the holy basil are in. So I have about 2 tablespoons of dry basil or basil. If you can get it fresh. If not, then you find. It's a little dry, so I add about another tablespoon of water. So right now the cooking is completed. It smells awesome. It looks awesome. It tastes awesome. But it's a little hot because they're supposed to be hot, right? Traditionally, people prefer it hot, so it looks incredible. It looks pretty. It tastes pretty. It tastes pretty. It tastes good. Ngonមែនតើខ្ញុំដាក់ត្រប់ឲ្យឲ្យឃើញវាពណ៌ស្អាតខ្ញុំដាក់ម្ទេសស្អាតវាទៅចង់ដាក់មីនេះខ្ញុំដាក់ម្ទេសនេះមួយកូនស្លាបព្រាហើយពីព្រោះខ្ញុំញ៉ាំហើយមែនតើឥឡូវនេះឆាគ្រឿងរបស់ខ្ញុំរួចហើយឥឡូវនេះបើតាមតែខ្ញុំមើលទៅវាឆ្អិនហើយដាក់បន្លែហើយអីរួចហើយadd 3 នាក់ So I was mistaken because when I look at the size of chicken before we combine all these ingredients, all these vegetables, about 2 servings. So literally I look at it, you know, you have enough for 3 servings. Yeah. So if you're cooking for yourself, then you have leftover. So here's the conclusion of my chakrung today, chakrung chicken. I have in here an incredible amount of work. And I have this vegetable here, Thai eggplant, and then jalapeno, 1 jalapeno, and then the sweet pepper to make this cooking look so pretty and presentable. Anyway, so I'm turning off the heat, and I want to show you how it look like. Okay. It look incredible. So yes, it tastes good also. Try this at home. Inbox me how it turned out, and Oh, yes, I would love to hear from you. And this is Cambodian favorite dish. Okay, I mean, this is something that adults and children are craving for. Once they leave the household, they're always going to come back and want it more. And my kid always call me on this recipe, though they tell me that, Mom, you need to write as a cookbook, you need to do a demonstration. I did all this. And finally, I think after like 30 something years, they got it. So, yes, you can have this over rice, or you can have the dish up in a bowl or plate, wherever you prefer. I like it serving this way. Yeah. So then you have white rice and a pretty. It tastes so good ឆ្ងាញ់មែនតើឆាគ្រឿងសាច់មាន់នេះគឺឆ្ងាញ់មែនតើគឺត្រូវគ្រឿងមែនតើហើយចាវាគ្រប់គ្រឿងគឺឆ្ងាញ់មានជាតិជូរមានជាតិប្រៃតិចហើយនឹងបន្លែហើយឆ្ងាញ់ហើយឆ្ងាញ់មែនតើចាខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណច្រើនសូមជួយមេត្តា share ចុចក្ដឹងចុច like ខ្ញុំផងដើម្បីបានជួបគ្នាម្ដងទៀតសូមអរគុណច្រើន and thank you for tuning in and this is Chef Anna. Thank you so much for tuning in to my hot stir-fry Kroeung chicken, and it looks so awesome. It smells so awesome. It tastes so good. This is something that you can try. Work with me. If you still don't understand it, inbox me. Let me know how it goes and share with your family. This holiday is coming. If you don't cook turkey, the traditional American dinner, then hey, cha kroeung is very well welcome, and it's good to share with your family and gatherings and parties. And I did this, so it tastes so good. Thank you for tuning in, and please help me by click like, click share, and comment is welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in wherever you're at. Thank you and have a good day, good night. Chef Anna.